watch this video, I will do a live stream. Like right now, by the day I posted this video on YouTube, I will be live on this app. So I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much, UpLive, for sponsoring this video. TFam, Marcus Tegan, please support this app. I will also choose a lucky winner to whoever downloads this app. I will give 10,000 pesos. Just after downloading this app, screenshot it, and then go to my Instagram account, follow me, and send me a DM of that screenshot. Or you can go to my Twitter account. You can also follow me there and send me a DM, and then I'm gonna check them out, and then I'm just gonna choose randomly. That's it. Let's go back to the video. That's so cool. Wait, 1 AM na ngayon. Dapat sa ganitong time. Nasa hotel ka na ng somewhere. May kasama ka. Noah, or something. Babato.
Agoy, mapriso ka.
Pwede nga ano. Dito sa Brazil.
Ha? Ang ba't namas yun?
Kaya bala ko si
Valentine's
nagkaroon ko na yung si GR na parang ganyan. Sabi yung asawa ko.
Hello?
Wait lang.
Ikaw to!
Sabihin mo nga pala ang pangalan mo.
Tigim to. Ay!
Game. Sigal ka ba? Talaga? Okay. Now it's not too late, right? Oh, yes. Okay.
Anak ko kayo si Bato, pag ngayon oh, maglayas na ako.
Wait lang ah.
Suka!
Yeah, she looks really young, but I also have Instagram that is in her age, and they will get angry to me if I don't get her Instagram before skipping her. But don't worry, I got all their Instagrams. Here are their Instagrams.
Tigim to.
Kim,
Yo, hold on, what? Man.
why is this beautiful girl not talking?